Get ready to elevate your tech game with our latest video. In this exciting showcase, we explore the most innovative and must-have gadgets that are set to revolutionize your daily life. Don't miss out on the innovations that are changing the game. Telescope Phone Adapter. This gadget transforms your smartphone into a powerful telescope with this easy-to-use adapter. Perfect for stargazing and wildlife photography. Securely attaches to your phone, allowing you to capture stunning images through your telescope with incredible detail and clarity. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones and telescopes, this adapter is a must-have for any aspiring astrophotographer. The AI-powered sports tracking phone mount. The Xbot Go Chameleon is a game-changing phone mount designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Powered by AI, it intelligently tracks your movements, providing real-time performance metrics and hands-free operation. Its versatile mounting options, durable design, and seamless integration with fitness apps make it the perfect companion for any workout, whether you're cycling, running, or training indoors. Stay focused, connected, and motivated. This innovative sports tracking phone mount. Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard. This ultra-portable, foldable Bluetooth keyboard is the perfect travel companion for anyone who needs to stay productive on the go. With a sleek, compact design, it easily fits in your bag or pocket. Despite its size, it offers a comfortable typing experience and a reliable wireless connection to your devices, making it ideal for typing on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Dirk RC Plane. Soar through the skies with the Dirk RC Eagle Plane, a high-performance remote-controlled aircraft designed for both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. Featuring a sleek, eagle-inspired design, this RC plane combines agility with stability, ensuring smooth and responsive flight. Its durable construction withstands rough landings and impacts, while the intuitive controls make it easy to maneuver, whether you're flying indoors or outdoors. With its impressive flight time and dependable performance, the Dirk RC Eagle Plane is perfect for mastering aerial maneuvers and enjoying endless fun in the air. OSY Flying Disc. Experience the thrill of flight with the OSY Flying Disc. This innovative toy combines the fun of a traditional flying disc with advanced aerodynamics, making it perfect for outdoor play. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting fun, whether you're playing catch at the park or showing off your disc-throwing skills with friends. The OSY Flying Disc is designed for all ages, making it a great addition to your outdoor gear. LED Motion Sensor Under Cabinet Light. Illuminate your kitchen, closet, or workspace with this LED motion sensor under cabinet light. It automatically turns on when it detects motion, providing convenient hands-free lighting whenever you need it. The slim, energy-efficient design ensures a sleek, modern look, while offering bright, reliable illumination. Perfect for adding a touch of convenience and safety to any space. DJI Avata 2. Experience the next level of aerial photography with the DJI Avata 2. This cutting-edge drone features advanced stabilization, high-definition video capture, and intuitive controls, making it ideal for both amateur and professional videographer. With its compact, portable design and long battery life, the DJI Avata 2 is perfect, capturing stunning aerial footage wherever your adventures take you. Voyager 1. The Voyager 1 is a state-of-the-art exploration tool designed for adventurers. Whether you're hiking through rugged terrain or navigating new cities, this compact, durable device provides essential navigation and tracking capability. With a user-friendly interface and robust features like GPS, altimeter, and weather forecasting, the Voyager 1 is your ultimate companion for outdoor exploration. Xscope DT1. Discover the power of portable telescopic viewing with the Xscope DT1. This compact device is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and stargazers alike, offering powerful magnification in a small, lightweight package. Its rugged construction ensures durability, while its easy-to-use design makes it accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Take your viewing experience to new heights with the Xscope DT1. Xtool P2. Unleash your creativity with the Xtool P2, a versatile laser engraving and cutting machine. Whether you're working on custom designs, crafting unique gifts, or tackling DIY projects, the Xtool P2 offers precision and flexibility. Its user-friendly software and powerful laser technology make it easy to create intricate designs on a variety of materials, from wood to metal, allowing you to bring your creative ideas to life. Tron 360-degree AI Vision Robotic Mower with Auto Mulching. The Tron 360-degree AI Vision Robotic Mower represents the forefront of smart lawn care technology. Equipped with 360-degree AI vision, this robotic mower efficiently navigates and tends to your lawn with precision, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough coverage. The auto mulching feature returns finely cut grass to the lawn, providing natural fertilization and promoting a healthier, greener lawn. Its intelligent design and programming allow for customizable mowing schedules and patterns, making lawn maintenance effortless and efficient.